Hello, this is a video to follow up on Nate's video about the basics of Wevideo. I'm here to give you some resources that you can use to help students in your classroom with Wevideo as well as help yourself. Uh, First up, at this website, wevideo.com/support/getting started with Wevideo, there are some links to some different how-to articles. For example, some of the things that Nate talked about in his video are here in text form along with some images. So this is just an extra resource for some reminders, or if you'd like to give some specific guidance for students on projects, this can be a good resource for both. Another resource here is at wevideo.com/education resources/classroom. There are a few different ideas for lessons here. And if we look into one of these examples, it will give you a few resources to help implement Wevideo in different ways in your classroom. Are some directions available for both teachers and students. And one of the things that I like is that they give you some suggestions and ideas for how to tweak this for your own classrooms. So these are kind of like troubleshooting tips for teachers, can also help you connect to standards. There's also some similar language used in these resources to what we are already doing in a lot of our classrooms. For example, CER might be a big component there, and different ideas for different content areas. So it kind of gives you the basics of the lesson and then some ideas of how to change that for your specific content area.